Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today on my channel I'm going to show you some more about my cat. So as you know, if you watched my other videos, I just got a new cat. She's very new. I don't know if she does have a name because I only come to my dad's on the weekend. But if she does, I have no idea what it is. She's like adorable. And this, I never thought in a million years I would say this. I've been saying it. I think she's cuter than Reba. I know, excuse my language. Reba is adorable, but she just outdoes it. She's adorable. Oh, you can't see her very well. I'm gonna wait till she comes in. Come here. She's scared. Even if the sounds that people make for them to come doesn't like. Oh, I want your food. It's over there. Like, it's kind of dark. Well, it's dark on my camera. Don't go to my room. Don't poop in there. I know you just pooped, but just making sure. That's my room. I'm going to show you a little more about her. So, since this is the first day that I've met her, I don't know that much about her. I'm just going to show you some things that I've learned in the last, maybe like 4 hours of having her around. Where does she go? Number one, she's mysterious and quiet. If she was a boy, I would name her Ninja. Although girls can be ninjas. There she is. I don't know what she's doing. She finds crap. She eats everything. We have to be careful because she eats everything. Like, yeah, she eats her cat food, but if you see my last video, she was chewing on a piece of wood, and that was not good. Because I'm gonna try to get you a close look of my baby. She's so cute and fluffy. That's the only reason I love her is because she's adorable and she's so fluffy. So fluffy. I'm going to try to turn on the lights. Okay, there. That is her food. Under that table is a litter box, but Lord knows you don't want to see that. Trust me. She doesn't have a bed. I mean, I guess that's all about her. She has food, a litter box, and a home to run around in. I mean, that's all cats need. They don't need bed. They can, actually. But ours, the ones I have at my mom's and my here, they don't have beds because they just sleep on whatever they find. That's what usually happens anyways. But she's a kitten. Like, Reba's a kitten, but she's, like, really young. Like, the one here. She's young, and Reba's young. But that cat's younger. Whatever you're eating. Oh, this gigantic piece of plastic. I'm gonna eat this. This is totally gonna work. Nope. Yeah. Maybe I should set up the camera, but she's probably gonna get scared and run away, and I'll have to keep setting it up several times. Here, I'm gonna try to set it up. Come here. Come here. Oh, I got my secret weapon in my pocket. Here she is. Oh, why are you scared? Come on, try to get it. Try to get it. Try to get it. Aw, she's so scared. If you hear Bumpy, that's upstairs. Ew, there's a piece of fuzz on it. Yeah. So anytime that she gets scared, I always swing my necklace, and she always goes, "What's she doing?" She's using the bathroom again. She pooped upstairs, then she came down here and pooped, and now she's using the bathroom again. And that was all in like 10 minutes. I really like this necklace. I'm gonna actually try to show it to you a little more. So here it is. So it's really cute. Here. It's really cute. If you can't tell, which you probably can't, it has like flowers and it's like made of glass. Oh my gosh, stupid fuzz. But yeah. And then this, this might not be very interesting, but I like the way that it comes. Like, look, see? And then you open it and you do that. Then you hook it and push it. It's really cool. So yeah, that's our little video. Peace out. Bye.
When we showing videos, ooh.